Microsoft SQL Server databases support business-critical applications, making reliable backup and precise recovery essential. Bacula Enterprise integrates with Microsoft SQL Server through its native virtual device interface technology. Backup data streams directly to the Bacula storage daemon, without intermediate file staging or reliance on VSS snapshots. Solution supports full differential and transaction log backups, along with database-level selection and copy-only backups that do not disrupt the established backup chain. For recovery, administrators can restore databases directly through the plugin or write backup files to disk for manual recovery. Point-in-time recovery makes it possible to return a database to a precise moment, while flexible restore options support different instances, database names, and destinations. Compression helps reduce network usage, while encryption and checksum verification protect data integrity during backup and recovery. With centralized management across physical, virtual, cloud, and hybrid environments, and licensing based on server numbers rather than database capacity, Bacula Enterprise delivers scalable, cost-predictable Microsoft SQL Server protection. To learn more about Bacula SQL Server Backup, download our white paper or Bacula trial.